Hello, fixers. So instead of unboxing, since we're going home in our home country, you can see. So we will be boxing our Dyson. So now it's good. I keep the boxes here. So it's a little difficult to first. Use this one. Yes, you can see. Hole. Around, and then for the battery. This side. Then this one. Balance. This one, so it's different, right? You cannot hold this one. So this one you can bend. So we're placing it here. So I'll use this box. This box, see, open. This is different. See, so use the open one. Good. I did not no damage to the, I did not tear the carton. Tricep is here, so hold. It should be here. The other one to put it there so we can. So here I said it's different. It's not open. And again, lock. Slide. Just press and slide. Now it's locked. Okay, now here. Here. Okay. This one side. This one we have some box here. It's like triangles, same form. See, lock inside here, then lock. Yeah, should be locked here. There's a space for this one. So what else? We have the last one. Over here. think the most important one is this, so it will not break during transport. The extra, I think this is for the wire here. Yeah, fix it. Okay, found the way. Extra caution, and some leaflets, and then should be here. Okay, keep it there. Manual. Always keep it manual. So now it's not bulging anymore. Okay, it's closing time. It's boxing. Done. It's done. Put the tape here. Then once we reach in our country, we'll do the unboxing also. Reverse. Okay. So it's not bulging now.